We all have those days where we just don't feel like cooking, and that makes me so thankful for having a quick and easy recipe like this. In a previous video, we actually made a Chinese master stock and we braised all sorts of different ingredients with it. So in today's video, we're going to use the same Chinese master stock to make a delicious noodle soup. It's hearty, savory and quick to put together, making it perfect for crazy days like this. Okay, so here's the anatomy of a good bowl of noodle soup. We'll need soup, noodles, protein and vegetables. For our protein, today we're going to use some firm tofu and eggs that we made in the previous video, and I just want to show you how easy it is once you have everything ready in your fridge. I just want to cut this into chunks. Just look at the delicious cross section. You can definitely smell all the flavors that have been infused. And here we have a delicious braised egg as well. I would love to just pop it into my mouth, but let's save this for the final dish. Just look at the layers of infusion. You can see a nice gradient of the soy and the egg whites, and I think it's really pretty to look at. Of course, you can braise whatever you like with the Chinese master stock, so feel free to use what you have. The whole idea behind this recipe is to be flexible. And now for our noodles. So we'll start with a pot of boiling water. We'll season this with a little bit of salt. Get your favorite Asian noodles. You can definitely use pasta in a pinch, but try your best to get the thinner ones. So put it in the hot water and cook it according to the packaging instructions. To make sure that your noodles are evenly cooked, just help it along, give it a stir. Now in the meantime, let's talk about the vegetables. I'm using scallion here. I want a little bit of greens to my noodles today, so 1 to 2 minutes before the noodles are ready, we're going to place our vegetables in. So go ahead and blanch your vegetables as your noodles are cooking. Apart from scallion, you also can use other vegetables such as baby bok choy or even bean sprouts. Very quickly now, the vegetables are ready, so we can take it out. Now let's quickly check if our noodles are ready. There's a good bite, it's just al dente, it's time to take it out. Scoop out all your noodles and allow all the excess water to drain. And that's your noodles done. Now let's do a quick soup 101. In every good soup, even ramen soup, there are 3 layers that we will need. You'll need good stock, seasoning, and fat. Because our Chinese master stock is full of soy sauce, sugar, and Chinese cooking wine, it's definitely able to fulfill the seasoning layer. That means all we'll need is stock and fat, and we're good to go. That said, feel free to substitute the Chinese master stock with high-quality soy sauce or any other ready-made soup seasonings. Whether it's Chinese, Korean, or Japanese, I'm sure they will all work fine. Now to put this dish together, let's start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of the Chinese master stock. For our fats, I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of pork lard and a 1/4 teaspoon of scallion oil to get the best of both worlds. And now our chicken stock goes in. For me, I'm using chicken stock, and if you want, I have a full video on how you can make chicken stock at home. It's a full deep dive on Asian chicken stock, and I covered everything from how you can use chicken powder and chicken bones, so if you're curious, I've left a link in the description below. Now give everything a good mix, and quickly you can see this is now a delicious soup base. I'm going to add just a hint of white pepper. Okay, perfect. And now for our noodles, our leafy greens, our firm tofu, and our hard-boiled eggs. And we'll finish this off with a generous amount of coriander and spring onions. And there we have our Chinese master stock noodles done. Let's give the soup a try. There's a rich depth to it and a lot of umami, even though it took us no time to put this together at all. Now to have this dish, you don't have to be neat, just mix everything up. I would like to say that this is a very quick and easy shoyu ramen version at home. Of course, you can't compete with what you get in the restaurants, but do you see how much time it took? No time at all. I love how the noodles still has such a nice crunch and it goes so well with the soup. Now the firm tofu has definitely soaked up all the delicious flavors from the stock when we simmered it and braised it overnight. And it's such a good vessel to deliver all that flavor. Let's try the egg. There are no complaints for me. Of course, if you have braised meats as well, such as pork or chicken, you can also have it with this dish. It's your kitchen, it's your palate. Cook whatever you like. So we turned our Chinese master stock into a delicious noodle soup today. If you want to see more videos on how we can use our Chinese master stock, then drop me a comment and we can make more videos just like this. I had so much fun making this and I'm really hungry. I'm going to enjoy this now. See you guys in the next one.